Hi guys, this is Zach. Today I will be working on my 1992 Audi 80. I purchased this car recently, and when I checked the fluids, I saw that the coolant level was the coolant was empty. There was nothing inside, and I could find the leak. It's right there where the thermostat is. And today we will take the both hose here off, check the sensors, and then take the thermostat off and reseal it and put it back in and fill up the coolant. Alright, I got the connectors off, both hoses here, and they're two 10mm bolts, one there, one right there. And when we take this one off, you can see it's the engine, and that's the part. Yes, we need definitely new gasket maker, since I could not find a gasket here for. Well, I used a gasket maker here to seal and to prevent any coolant leak. Now I will put all the hoses back and the connector and refill my coolant level.